Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this daisy step by step. This is a perfect crochet project that uses all your scrap yarn. I'm using A-ply yarn in 2 colors and 3mm hook. Okay, let's start with a magic circle. Wrap yarn on your finger like this. If you don't know how to make magic circle, repeat this part few times until you know how to make it. Insert a hook to make a single crochet. In total for this round we need to make 8 single crochets. That's 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 8 single crochets, pull the yarn tight. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. And 1. For second round, we need to crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So 1, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. For round 2, you have 16 single crochets in total. Please repeat 2 single crochets in 1 stitch to finish this round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 3 and round 4, just simply crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. This is how it looks like after round 3, and this is how it looks like after round 4. Just simply 1 single crochet in each stitch. Leave some yarn for sewing later and cut off the yarn and leave it aside. It's in the middle of the daisy. Now I'm using white color to crochet the rest of the daisy. Round 1 and 2 is the same to the yellow part. You can start your magic circle like this and crochet 8 single crochets in the magic circle, or you can use this one. No matter which way you start your magic circle, just remember you crochet 8 single crochets in the circle. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pull the yarn tight. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Make sure you double check your numbers of the stitches. Chain 1, and for the second round, same like before, you just crochet 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. Repeat the pattern and finish the round. And snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 3, make a 1 single crochet from the first stitch and chain 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And count back in 4th stitch. You start to crochet single crochet for following 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 stitch. To the next stitch, you repeat the pattern. So make 1 single crochet, chain 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count back 4th stitch. Insert a hook to make 1 single crochet. Next stitch 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, and skip 1 stitch. Please repeat this pattern and finish the round. This is how it looks after you finish the round. And snip stitch to the first single crochet to join the round in chain 1. To start the round 4, crochet 1 single crochet from the first stitch and following by on the petals, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet another double crochet, another double crochet, so 3 double crochet so far. In the chain 3 space, crochet 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the other side, crochet 3 double crochets in the 3 stitches, and then half double crochet follow after that. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochet, and then followed by 1 half double crochet. Snip stitch to the skipped stitch from last round. So that's 1 set. Chain 1, 1 single crochet. Following, we are crochet in the petal for half double crochet, 1 double crochet for the next stitch, followed by 1 double crochet for the next stitch, another double crochet for the next stitch, and in the chain 3 space, we crochet 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 double crochet, crochet 3 double crochets for the following 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet for the last stitch, and snip stitch to the skipped stitch from last round. Please follow this pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round, chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Let's grab the yellow part, and we need a crochet needle and join 2 parts together, followed by each stitch. Just simply join them together like this. After you join it together within the ends, and cut off the rest of the yarn. This is how you crochet this beautiful daisy. Please like this video if you learned how to crochet daisy, and subscribe for more crochet ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.